What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I want to show you who's jacking me. Hey there, guys. Listen, I recently, last year, reviewed one of these conical ice scrapers, and people complained that I didn't test it right. I wasn't really thrilled with it. So I thought, hey, we're in the winter again, and I am going to test another one. So I went on Amazon to look for these new ice scrapers, and I found this one. And basically what I want to show you is you can get them for really cheap. Looks like they come in a 2-pack. Wouldn't surprise me if they're pretty cheap. So I was like, oh, should I try this one? And what struck me is that I do like the little pointed nibs. So I was like, yeah, maybe I should pick one of these up. I'm reading the description. I'm scrolling down here, scrolling down. Oh, they've got some instructions here. Funnel snow remover and what the? Funnel snow scraper. That is my hand, the ice scraper that I was using, and you can see the ice still on the windshield here. This is the thumbnail from the YouTube video that I did a year ago. So this is not maybe that surprising that people just help themselves to stuff. I don't know that I'm particularly harmed by this, but it's just a little funny and it's a little shocking as I was scrolling down to see my image, the one I created, shot, and got my hands nice and cold for being used on someone's listing, specifically on a product that I was actually looking at buying. So that's kind of funny. I'm not going to reach out to them and do a cease and desist or anything like that. That's not my style. Like I said, it would have been nice if they said here, like, courtesy of Peter Von Panda. Give me a little credit when you're going to just lift someone else's intellectual property. But I do think that's funny. I guess we're reaching out to the world. Interesting. That's it. Just wanted to complain. Peter Von Panda. Out.